Hi there, my name is Ursi. I live in Switzerland and I work in Encaustic. I've been asked so many times how I work with rust, so I decided to make a little tutorial. Now, this is a piece which is nearly finished. This one here is another little piece. I used dark color underneath, then added a few layers of white, filled the hole with oil sticks. The yellow I added in pan pastel, and at the very end I made the rust transfer. As you can see here at the bottom, I've got some paper underneath as well. These are my little sample pieces which I regularly do to see what happens when one of my favorite sayings. Okay, so what else do we need? We need metal pieces, different ones. Everything I can find, I put into my water, which looks like that. These are just normal pieces of metal I get from a company. They usually throw them away and I ask whether I can have them. So I actually lay them in water for several days, nearly 2 weeks. And then it becomes this. Now this one here, which is actually the one my student did on Tuesday, I think it was. I posted it on Facebook. That's what it looks like when I take the rust, the piece of metal away. As you can see, it has made a very nice mark. Now what I usually do with that one, I burn it in several times, which I will show you later. First I want to show you how I actually add the rust. Now this one is the vinegar I use. That's what we buy in Europe. It's white vinegar, it's very strong. This one I dilute 50-50 in that bottle, so 50 water, 50 vinegar. I choose my board, then I choose my metal. This one is a little angel, as you can see. It's got different stages of rust on it. I take the vinegar. The board doesn't have to be warm. I move it a little bit around. Then I put my angel where I want it. If I have some excess, I usually take it off with a piece of paper, because I put some weight on it and I don't want it to fade or spread out. So I check again whether I've got everywhere the right amount of vinegar. Clean it, and then I put weight on it. So if I want to have just a little bit of rust, I'll take it off after about 3-4 hours. If I want to have a lot of rusts, I leave it for 2 days. until I take it away. Once I take it away, remember, I took that one, left it for 2 days, put some weights on it. I burn it in with a low flame without actually disturbing it. Sometimes when there is a lot of rust on it, I fuse it in once, then I do it again, because if you don't do that, it will smear when you put another layer of medium on top of it. Now, this student told me to put another layer of rust on it, which I will do now. So I wait until it cools down a little bit. You can do that in different stages. You can do that over the time of a few days. I could put that one on here. I will put it back on here again. Leave there some space open. So I put the vinegar water on it again. Make sure that I've got it everywhere. And then press that down so that I see, do I have enough water? You can see already it has taken on some rust water, so I add some more. Put that down here and then do as I did before. I'll press it down, and everything which is too much I take off. For example, here it's too much, I take off. Make sure that everywhere where you don't want rust, you clean it off, because it will give little tiny rust marks, which you could take away with a scalpel, but you know, not everybody likes it. Now I have to find something else here. If I lift that a little bit up, I see that there is not enough vinegar, so I put some more on. What you actually can do as well is just lift it once in a while to see whether you got enough rusty water. There we are. So I will leave that now until tomorrow, check it and see how it's working. If I have the feeling it should be a little bit more, I put it on again, maybe add a little bit more vinegar, and that's it. I hope this gives you a start in trying out your own rust. Do let me know how you get along. If you have any questions, contact me. I'm happy to help. And have fun. And do as I do. You know, what happens if? So, explore, create, and enjoy your work. All the best, Ursi. Bye-bye.